Most researchers have a small set of ligands they work with. To easily access them, the best way is to favorite your ligands of interest. And that can be easily done in complex build. Let us do it. To start with, select the metal and its oxidation number. And then click on the Select Ligands button. By clicking on the denticity drop-down list, not only different types of denticities are shown, but also a special option called Favorite Ligands. If you select it, Complex Build returns a panel listing all favorite ligands selected by the user. Notice that, right now, this list is empty. So, how can you add your ligands of interest to this list? Well, first you have to find them, and then you can favorite them. Let us assume, for example, that you want to add ligand TTA to the favorites list. With this ligand in mind, please select the option corresponding to its denticity, bidentate. Now, find this ligand on the panel. Please notice that you can use 4 different entries to reduce the number of possibilities and find your ligand of interest more quickly. After finding your ligand, please click on it with the right button of your mouse. A pop-up menu will appear with some options. Please select the first one, Add to Favorites. That's it. The ligand was added to your favorites list. If you go back to the denticity drop-down list and select the Favorite Ligands option again, TTA will be shown. So, you can keep adding all your ligands of interest to the favorites list, one by one. That is how your favorites list will look like after adding your ligands. Okay, what if you want to remove a ligand from the favorites list? A ligand that no longer interests you? That is easy. Go to the denticity drop-down list, then click on Favorite Ligands. Right-click on the ligand you want to remove and select, on the pop-up menu, the option Remove from Favorites. Done. The ligand has been removed from the favorites list. That is how it is done. We hope this video was useful to you. We have other tutorial videos explaining many functionalities of the complex build software. You can watch them in our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.